Anha and Ashil.
Wow! So many animals!
Let's see them, Anha.
Bunny! 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 Bunny!
Ha 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 ha! Not all bunny. See all the animals? Each one has a name.
Wow, really? I want to learn all their names. Great! We'll start. This is a dog!
Woof woof woof. This is a cow.
Cow gives milk! This is a cat. Meow. Meow. Meow, meow. This is a goat. Jumping goat. Jumping goat. This is a hen. Chick, chick. Chick, chick. Let the bunny go. Hop, hop, bunny. See the rabbit nibble its carrot.
Dog, cat, cow. Good job, Anha. I love animals.
Learning is fun.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more magical stories.